Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check TikTok story views. So for this, if you want to check the TikTok story views, open the TikTok app and go on the main menu. So from here you will just go in the profile icon on the right below. So you will see in the username you will see the plus button. So from here you will just add, first of all you will add the story. I will just select a picture from my gallery. So I will just add to my story. So from here it will be add. So I will just click to this story. And you will see from here now is the 0 views, but after few hours there will get views. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.